Hello, my name is Tom. Today I want to introduce our new excellent Plaza pen maglev. So now I will show you the machine, and this is a logo for maglev. And what this machine for? Actually, it can for the skincare, also for can move some sports modes, swap on the mousse gap mode, and so on. And actually for the face care. So the machine, and this is the machine for maglev, and this is the charging, and also we have 4 tips for the treatment. Before we use the machine, we have to make sure it get enough power. If not, and maybe the machine cannot work well. And so this is the charging, and 1 to 2 hour charging, it can last 10 to 15 days. This is the machine for the power. And now I tell you how to the detail of this maglev. This is the power button, switch power button, and this is the power adjustment. For the power adjustment, to the left side it's for the low power. To the right side, turn to the right side if there's strong power. So actually it will depend on the treatment you do it, and will choose difference of the power. And this button is for the power button, to control the button. When you begin to do the treatment, you just press this button and the light will show out, and then the machine will start working. So now I tell you how to put on the tips. Actually, the tips is for one time use normally. So you can see there actually is a hole in the needle. You just mess it and place it. You turn it. And after it, and we just take out the cover, and then you will see this is the needle for the tips. So when before we start the treatment, we can test the machine whether it work well, and so you can press the button. When you press the button, it was also with this is switch button. You just press it. It's switch a button, and after that you just press this operation control button. When you press it, it will show. So now I will show you how it works. I will take a leaf to test the machine for you. Here we go. You can see when the power out, and then the leaf just like it burns. So normally the spot or some like a scab, it can remove totally. This is what it work. I will show you one more time. And this turn the skin and the needle actually just 1 millimeters. When you cut this, when the needle is coat the skin, you just press the control button, it will show out. This is why this machine it worked, because when we turn on the control button, it have around 2000 discrete high energy to show out. So it's easy to remove the acne, spots, some skin, some light skin. After you use it, normally when the customer on the treatment area, after you do the operation, you just use some solid and the cotton board to clean it. After do one time and clean it one time. And every time after you do the treatment, and then you just clean it. Remember to clean the machine. It's the best way for you to keep the machine working for longer. And then later I will test for you guys the second tips.